Welcome. If you've ever wanted to update your birthday on Pinterest using your mobile device, you're in the right place. Whether you entered the wrong date when signing up or just want to keep your profile information accurate, changing your birthday on Pinterest is a straightforward process. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make this change quickly and easily on the Pinterest app. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once the app is open, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture, which you'll find at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest page where you can manage your account details. Next, look for the option labeled Account Management and tap on it. This section contains all the important settings related to your account, including privacy, security, and personal information. From here, select Personal Information. This is where you can update details like your name, email address, and of course, your birthday. Now, tap on Date of Birth. You'll see the current birthday that's saved on your profile. Simply change it to the correct date by selecting the appropriate day, month, and year. Make sure to double-check the date before moving on, as this information helps Pinterest personalize your experience and sometimes controls age-related content restrictions. Once you've updated your birthday, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save Update button and tap it to confirm your new birthday on your Pinterest profile. After saving, your profile will reflect the updated date, and you're all set. Changing your birthday on Pinterest is a quick task that helps keep your account information accurate and ensures you get the best experience on the platform. Remember, having the right birthday can affect the types of content and recommendations Pinterest shows you, so it's worth keeping this detail up to date. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to change your birthday on Pinterest mobile with the latest update. Happy pinning!